Hello and welcome. I'm Sahan Singha. This is our XML-RPC version of the distributed recycling machine. So when we perform the XML-RPC activity, we had three members in our group. I'm Sahan Singha, and my other two partners are Rasika Lakshan Jayaratna and Amila Maduranga. So since the scope wanted to be big when we work as a three members group, so we decided to split into two members, and Amila decided to produce a system on his own for the RMI version. So when we do the XML-RPC version, we had three members. So we will explain how we have done the XML-RPC version of the distributed recycling machine. So as we have already demonstrated how the system look like in RMI video, here we will be explaining coding part of the XML-RPC system. So let's go to the Eclipse. Here me and Amila did the client side. So here the headquarters machine is there. It is located in a different computer, and client we are doing it for the Colombo, which is going to be the client part. So here we have created a couple of more classes. I have done the server recycle machine part, and Amila has done the site engineer part. So for recycle machine, I will open the class and explain in brief. So here this is the form interface initiated in here. So this is the main method which will run the program recycle machine interface. So initially the transaction panel is set to be invisible until the user engineer connect the system with the remote located server. So when it is connected, the machine will become online, and then it will be active. So this is the method which we have used to show the receipt in graphical user interface. So this method will clear the text in the receipt, and this is the method which will enable the transaction panel. So initially we have bottle, can, crates and paper bags, and the receipt button is there. So this is how it will enable the transaction panel. So in here it will prompt the message saying enter the admin password in order to connect with the connect as a site engineer. So that's all for the recycle machine part. So Amila will explain you how he has done the site engineer part.
Hi, I am Amila Maduranga. My UAB student number is 1523295. I have created the site engineer part. This class create for that. In this interface, reset cans, reset crates, reset bottles, reset paper bags, reset recycle machines, and change item values. This main method will run the site engineer part, this coding part. This is the frame interface create. This will show the site engineer interface look like. This method will perform the action according to button clicks. And state message will be displayed here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lakshan. This is my ID number. And let's go to the server side. I did the server side. So here are the classes that I use to implement the RPC. Same as the RMI classes, I use same classes. This is the main class that is used to log to the system. It is the where that administrator use username, password and log into the system. If the username password is correct, he successfully log into our main server user interface. You can hear this is the where that I check the username and password, and these others are the text areas and buttons that I use. This class is I used to change values. This is the user interface that I used to change the values in the items. Each item can change the value manually. This is the where the action will catch when the change button will click. This is the user change class. And this is the class that I use to hold the client IP and the client's host name that connected to the server. And this is the class where the machine summary of display the machine summary of the items. I use the pie chart to do that, and this is the sum of jar files that I use. And this is the where get the whole IP address that connect to the server to drop down. And this is the where that calculate the total items. And this is the where get the data to the data set and call it to the chart. And this class is extend from the remote computer class. This class is used to hold the total can and the total crates, total paper bags and total bottles. And this class is used to hold the values of each item. And this is the main class that I use most of the methods to implement the most of the methods. This is where connect the login to server with the client, and this is the where that we validate the engineer. And this is where the client when the client add items, this is where it count. And this method used to print the each connected client machines to the server. This is the where that show the login details. And this method is used to display the engineer visits. This is how the display
will created. The string will be created and it is passed to the class that actually display the login engineer visits. And this is where the machine log will be printed. And this is the main interface, main server interface that I designed. And this is the method that I used to create the web server. I used 100 as the port and start the server. And this is the way where that I display the machine log, transaction, that events happen. And this is the method that I use to display the connected PCs to the server. And this method is used to display the engineer visits. And that's all. Thank you.